said that I was coming back with directions on that blow dryer. I'm just going to read a little bit to you on what it says. This blow dryer is absolutely awesome. Trust me. Okay. It's awesome. This blow dryer is absolutely awesome. User instructions. It says it is a 1400 watt professional hair dryer with diffuser and concentrator, compared to Qi. I've never used the Qi iron before. I don't know anything about a Qi iron. All I know of a Qi blow dryer or anything, all I know is when I use this blow dryer that it does wonders to my hair. And then if I put this in, not a whole lot, because with it being olive oil, either way, it protects my hair. It just smooths my hair so beautifully. So these two, lifesavers for me. Something that I'm confident about, that I found that I feel really good about, because usually during your hair journey, things that you're confident about during your hair journey, you're going to find that there's certain things that's only going to work for you. Trust me on that. Okay, so the diffuser, I don't really use the diffuser, but I purchased the comb. I purchased the comb, and it just snaps on like that. Get that on there. So it just snaps on like that. It's by Conair, Sally. But this blow dryer just smooths your hair out so beautifully. I really can't say enough about this blow dryer. I never even knew my hair could come out so bouncy and so straight and so shiny and silky. I had no idea that a blow dryer could do that for me. But this blow dryer has, and I absolutely love this blow dryer. If it breaks, I'm going to get another. Okay, so after I blow dry my hair, I use my generic value product flat iron. Eventually I could go and actually get a Qi, but why spend the money when I can? This works the same. This works the same. This is the box. This is the box that it came in. This is what it looked like. Okay. How about that was backwards? You know, like you could read backwards. So this is what the box looks like. And let's see here. And you know what? I don't think, there we go. And this is what it looks like. And the temperature goes up to 410. When I'm flat ironing my hair, I do maybe 385. And these hot curlers I've had forever. I've had these bad boys forever, and I absolutely love them. They're big, but they do the job. This right here is a Sensational Human Half Wig. It's the long one. This one ran about 85 bucks. That's how much it ran. But you can curl it. You can curl this after you first wash this, see how pretty those curls are? Gotta do the other side. After you wash this, and the way that you wash this hair is in cool water, and then you use a conditioning shampoo. And if you really want it to really be manageable, you can put a capful of conditioner in the water and you can condition it that way. But I'm going to do an actual tutorial on this hair here. But first thing is I'm going to let you guys see my hair. I am so excited to help so many young ladies out there. I want you all to be beautiful. I do. I want you to be beautiful and embrace your individuality. I guess that's how the world revolves, is people helping each other. It's the best thing that you ever could do for anyone, is help people. And if I'm able to offer any kind of health advice, hair advice, makeup advice, you'll be amazed how, and I hate to get into a whole nother conversation, but in this comb right here, this is a shower comb. It's sturdy. That would be terrible if it broke on camera, but sturdy. Okay. Anyway, you can do pretty much anything to this hair.